Hi y'all. I can't seem to get away from the trail. I'm gonna try Monday or Tuesday to go out to the Kissimmee Prairie, but for today it's back to the Taylor Creek Stormwater Treatment Area. Thanks for joining me. This is episode 5 of Nature with Photosmith. Started in on the trail and we found us a turtle. He was just hanging out in the grass.
He's nice. Are you from that? Do you want me to?
No, he's fine. He can walk.
Oh, Dad.
He's fine. He can walk.
I'm gonna take him better. You're just gonna take him from there, come out.
He'll probably go back in the water.
Yeah.
He's like, no, I'm too shy for this. Look at the shell, how it has that speckle here. It's like an amber.
Yeah.
It's cute. Oh, she just lands on the beach. She starts eating all the skin. That must be the female.
So slow.
Yeah, they walk pretty slow.
Back in the water.
He wants to go back in the water.
Yeah.
We've seen the little ones in the coast right there in Petco. They got
So I know you hear voices behind me. My kid's out here, Solomon, and we have Lily over here. She already did her walk, but she said, "Oh, let me turn around and I'll come back out and walk with you." So.
Yeah, take him out of the path and make him walk all the way back.
He's fine, though.
It's a turtle. It's smaller than
I couldn't even see it because of the grass. See?
I didn't bully him, though.
That grass is so high you can't see it. There could be a snake right there. We don't
My
know.
video. Now I have to clip you out.
Why not just have it do
Well, anyway, it is a little sunnier than it was the other day. Still hot. Can't wait for winter. All right, I'm gonna walk in further. I'll be back in a little bit. So today was a hot one. It was like 91 degrees and it felt like 100. So I go home, take a shower, get in some new clothes, and then come back out to sweat again. Ooh. So I'm gonna try to do some more nature shorts when I get a chance. I may even do some out here today. Haven't really seen too much grackles. Oh, marsh rabbit. Yeah,
You see right there?
it's a marsh rabbit. Yeah.
Look at some sharp eyes.
All right, I'm gonna take a shot of him. I'll be right back. I got a few pictures of that marsh rabbit. I've got a few of them before when I was here. This is a different type of shot, so see when I would get home what it looks like. I have my macro lens in my bag, so if I see any interesting things to shoot, I will switch out. And guys, I ordered my gimbal stabilizer. Should be here next week sometime. Ran me about 60 bucks or so. Looks like a good one. You can record off the handle and everything and switch the camera views and things like that, so should be very helpful. I think it even has a built-in tripod on it. What'd you see?
Oh, that's like all the way down there. Oh, you see, that's really
Oh, that's pretty close. So yeah, look, I missed this shot right here. Let me know, heads up bird, before it even gets close. That's the only thing about doing this vlog is holding this camera if I'm recording and I miss an opportunity. So that's all right. It wasn't meant to be. There's a bunch of, it looks like maybe cattle egrets, snowy egrets, I can't tell. I'm gonna try to take this shot. I'll be back in a minute. I just shot a bunch of egrets flying away. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. And then I got my favorite guy to photograph, Sammy the snake bird. So, you know, I always poop on his day, so it's only fitting that he did that on the very first episode. They have light bones, hollow bones. Birds have hollow bones. Probably a gator rutted up there, maybe a turtle. That's a way to get something off the camera.
I want you on the video.
All right, I'm gonna walk in more a bit, and I'll see you in a little bit. Like, Dad, if I see a snake, I'm gonna run out there and catch it and let you photograph it. I'm like, son, the whole point of these walks and photography of nature is to not bother them. Let them go about their business. Let them go about their daily life. Do their thing. I'm gonna take a break at the hut here though for a second. I'll be back in a few. All right, so we're heading up to the spillway side. We've seen a lot of birds in the grass, all these grackles coming out. Saw some whistling ducks. I got a couple of photos of them. We'll see how that turns out. And that's about it. Some cows in the field with a few egrets on the other side of the fence. Nothing too major. I gotta go somewhere else. Like I said, the trail's not getting boring. It's just like I need new sights. I need to go explore something new. I've walked the trail so many times, I can't even count them. I had Solomon, he was running on my other camera, and he was running in auto mode, but he had some nice frames. I'm not sure if I even have those same pictures still, but he had some nice framing. So my intent was to plan on to teach him how to use auto mode or manual mode on the camera. Baby steps, can't just jump into it. But it's not as complicated as people think it really is, manual mode on a camera. Like I said before in another video, once you learn it, your creative possibilities open. They're just wide open. All right, we're gonna head to the spillway. I'll see you when we get there. We're up at the floodgate / spillway. And we hear like a gator out here in the grass somewhere. Not a lot to shoot today though. But that's all right. Because you don't always get your way. It is beautiful when you got sunlight, as you can see. Nice golden Oh, there's another Anhinga over here. I'm gonna try to shoot him, I guess. I'll be right back. So we're headed our way back to the truck. We still have a ways to go. Try to take some opportunities on look like a grackle, maybe a boat tail up in a tree. It was a good framing. I'm excited about that one. Nothing really else much more to say. Solomon did say he thought he seen an otter up here and ran across the road, but if he is, he's gone now. Nature never fails to amaze me. There's always something new to see, always something new to learn. It's beautiful. What are you spotting those birds up there, son? All right, so I'll be back when we find something interesting. Got a few shots on a great blue heron. He had caught himself a catfish. He got it by the bony front fins. It was pretty neat. Now he's flying. He doesn't want me to get close. He's making noise. He's tired of me already. Let's see if I can get another shot on him before we lose him. Be back in a bit. All right, so we're getting near the end of the trail. Truck's over there. So how was it, Solomon? Was it good? A good walk? No comment. I love you too. All right, so it was a good day. I got. Ooh, what was that? I just saw that. I don't think that was a rabbit either.
Bunny, rabbit.
Was it?
Right there, you can see it?
Yeah.
It's moving out.
Mm-hmm. Checking us out.
No, it's fast.
So,
it's a snake. I was gonna be
yeah.
like, ah.
So what I was saying is, it wasn't a bad day. I mean, I got some good opportunities. Maybe not as much as I'd like, but there were some. So, and look at that sun over there. Can't really see it though. All right, so I'll see you in a bit for the outro. As you can see here, they mowed some of this area, which is nice. So this will help keep some of the bugs down. Mosquitoes and such. I'm just looking around for these deer that were here the other day, seeing if I could get up closer. Some pretty trees here. Who would have thought that nature could have been so diverse and so just special. All right, y'all, I'll see you in a bit. Alright, y'all, that's the end of our walk. It was a pretty decent walk. I mean, there were some opportunities. I think the photos will turn out really good, and I'm going to work really hard to get these implemented and put into the video tonight when I edit this. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like below. If you enjoy the content on this channel, subscribe. And if you want to see new videos from Photosmith, click the bell icon. So without further ado, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening.